So tell me if your wish list for a new house sounds like this. A home in Keller on half an acre with no HOA, updates galore, meticulously maintained, and more. You want to check out 1201 Country Hill Drive. So if you're like me, you don't want cookie cutter, come check out this one-of-a-kind feature wall. There is not another one like this. It is gorgeous, it does all things, and it's beautiful. So the other wonderful thing about this home is the backyard. So we are on a little over half an acre. There are 2 storage sheds, and I'm going to tell you all about that, and an outdoor living space. So come with me and let's check that out. So the other amazing thing, as I mentioned, is we have 2 sheds, but this one you get to use your imagination. What are you going to use it for? It has its own mini split, so heating and cooling, electric. It even has finished hardwood floors, built-in cabinetry. The sky is the limit on what you could do.